Hello parents! Today we'll do sensorial education activities which is arrange items from smallest to the biggest like a stair. Let's go! How to do this activity? First, parent need to prepare items. For example, this is block. This is the smallest block and this is the biggest one. And we'll do the stair from this block. Parent need to explain to child what to do with this block. Alright, let's go. We do the stair. Let's start the activity. First, this is the smallest block. Then, this is the bigger than the smallest one. This one and this one. Alright, let's start the activity. First one, we put the smallest at the first one. Then, followed by the yellow one. Then, this one we put like this. Wow, look! It looks like a stair. And this one is the biggest one. We put up here. We put beside. Look! Our stairs. Wow! You can use this stair to up, walk, 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 and down, down, down. There are a lot of reasons by doing this activity. First is we'll develop the understanding of basic concept which are smallest and the biggest. The smaller and the bigger one. Which is imagine when our child try to arrange the smaller to the bigger one, they know the shape and the shape which the small one and the bigger one. Second is to develop visual discrimination skill. Our child will automatically will know the shape, the bigger and the smaller one. That will improve their visual discrimination skill. Which one the big item, which one the small item. This will improve their visual discrimination skill. Then third reason for this activity is improve child hand-eye coordination, because while the hands move to arrange the block, their eyes should be moved. Same goes to their hand. This will improve their hand-eye coordination. Yeah, that's all.